Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Junkies World for your quick tech fix. I thought I'd make a quick video on aspect ratio. So there's a few tutorials online and on YouTube, specifically concerning Final Cut Pro aspect ratio of 16:9. This ratio is actually what you need to meet YouTube guidelines for placing an end screen on your video. You'll see an error if you don't meet these guidelines, and it looks like this if you look towards the end screen right here. When starting a new project for Final Cut Pro, I just use 1920 by 1080 resolution, which is equivalent to width to height of 16:9 or 16:9 aspect ratio. Let's just start a new project from scratch. And you would click on New Project. And let's just call it Test. So the easiest way for me to get to 16:9 aspect ratio on videos is basically to start out that way. And the way I would start out is by clicking 1080p HD, and the resolution is 1920 by 1080. And just click OK. Just click this. Make sure that your resolution is still 1920 by 1080. Okay, so now at this point I would upload the video, and it's prepared. So we're going to just leave it like this, test. I'm not going to do anything to the title or anything like that. All we're going to do is click on this portion here, and we're just going to get it to the point where I can go back and show you that the video can now play an end screen. So I'm going to just quickly go through it. But I don't care about, we really don't need any of that. So right, it has to be 25 seconds or longer. So make sure that your video, that video was only since that video was 6 seconds, we need to make sure it's 25 seconds or longer for the end screen option. Alright, so what we did, we made the video longer. We're going to make it 1 minute and 4 seconds. And we're going to do it again. Okay, so it's processing. Alright, so it's processing, and what we're going to do is, no, it's not for kids, just like before, we're just going to, all we're going to do is, so it's 1 minute and 5 seconds, which is good. We'll see if it allows us to add an end screen. Let's just go and take a look. So there it is, add an end screen. Now you can utilize all of your video elements, adding subtitles, add an end screen, or add cards. Okay. And like I said, there are other videos. Okay, so let's go back. Actually, before we finish this, let's go back. So there's no copyright issues or anything like that. I want to go back to the same portion where we were before the, let's just pull it up. We're gonna save it privately and go back in. So this is the test, and there it is again. There before, as you can remember, before this portion, this end screen was unclickable. So yeah, you see it on both ends where you're able to insert an end screen if you were having any issues with that. And like I said, there are other videos, other YouTubers who explain additional functionalities of Final Cut Pro and how to change your aspect ratio. Also, if you guys want, I can make a more detailed video explaining how to change your aspect ratio. Just let me know in the comments. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.